DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, an Overview. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, this crash course will provide you with an overview of home improvement projects that you can tackle on your own. Taking on DIY projects not only allows you to save money but also gives you the satisfaction of transforming your living space with your own hands. From simple repairs to more complex renovations, there's a wide range of projects you can undertake to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your home. Let's dive into the world of DIY home improvement and explore exciting projects you can embark on. Stories and examples. 1. The transformation of a neglected space. Imagine a homeowner who had a neglected basement gathering dust and serving as a storage area. With a vision to create an additional living space, they rolled up their sleeves and began a DIY project to transform the basement into a cozy family room. They installed drywall, laid down flooring, and added a fresh coat of paint. With some creativity, they repurposed old furniture and found budget-friendly decor items to complete the space. The once unused basement became a favorite spot for family gatherings and relaxation. 2. The kitchen revamp on a budget. Picture a couple who desired a kitchen upgrade but had a limited budget. Instead of hiring professionals, they took on the challenge of a DIY kitchen renovation. They started by repainting the cabinets, replacing hardware, and updating the backsplash. They learned to install new countertops and even tackled the plumbing for a new sink. By being resourceful and using online tutorials and guides, they successfully transformed their kitchen into a modern and functional space, all within their budget constraints. Top 12 DIY home improvement projects. 1. Painting. Refresh the look of a room by painting the walls, ceilings, or furniture. 2. Installing a backsplash. Enhance the visual appeal of your kitchen or bathroom by adding a stylish backsplash. 3. Updating cabinet hardware. Replace old and worn-out cabinet handles and knobs for a quick and easy upgrade. 4. Installing new light fixtures. Change outdated light fixtures to add a touch of elegance and improve lighting in your home. 5. Adding a new coat of stain or varnish. Revive wooden furniture, floors, or doors with a fresh coat of stain or varnish. 6. Installing crown molding. Add a touch of sophistication by installing crown molding along the top edges of walls. 7. Building a bookshelf or storage unit. Maximize space and add functionality by constructing a customized bookshelf or storage unit. 8. Installing a new faucet. Upgrade your kitchen or bathroom by replacing old faucets with newer, more efficient models. 9. Building a deck or patio. Create an outdoor space for relaxation and entertainment by building a deck or patio. 10. Installing a ceiling fan. Improve air circulation and energy efficiency by installing a ceiling fan in your home. 11. Creating a garden or landscaping project. Transform your outdoor space by designing and implementing a garden or landscaping project. 12. Installing a smart home system. Automate and control various aspects of your home, such as lighting, security, and temperature, by installing a smart home system. Summarization. In this crash course on DIY home improvement, we discussed the benefits of taking on projects yourself and explored a variety of exciting projects you can undertake. From painting and installing a backsplash to building furniture and creating outdoor spaces, there are countless opportunities to enhance your home on your own. By embracing DIY projects, you can save money, unleash your creativity, and create a space that reflects your personal style. Poem. In the realm of DIY, we find our way. Creating and improving, day by day. With tools in hand and vision in sight, we transform our homes, bath, bed and light. Painting the walls, a brush in hand. Colors chosen, a vibrant stand. Adding a backsplash, a stylish affair. A touch of elegance, beyond compare. Cabinet hardware, a simple switch. New handles and knobs, a tasteful pitch. Light fixtures changed, illuminating space. A radiant glow, with elegance and grace. Stain and varnish, a wooden revival. Furniture transformed, a visual arrival. Crown molding installed, a touch of class. Walls adorned, as memories amass. Bookshelves constructed, storage supreme. Organizing spaces, like a cherished dream. A faucet replaced, water flows anew. In the kitchen or bathroom, a fresh view. A deck or patio, an outdoor delight. Relaxation and joy, under the sun's light. Ceiling fans whirring, air circulating true. Cool breezes, as summer days ensue. Gardens and landscapes, nature's embrace. Creating beauty, a tranquil space. Smart home systems, automation supreme. Control at our fingertips, a tech-driven dream. In the realm of DIY, we create with pride. Our homes transformed, with hearts wide. With passion and skill, we build and design. A space that's uniquely ours, forever divine. Song. Verse 1. In the world of DIY, we find our way. Transforming our homes, day by day. With paint and brushes, we bring color alive. Creating spaces that truly thrive. Chorus. Backsplashes shine, with tiles so bold. Cabinet hardware, a touch of gold. New light fixtures, illuminating bright. Stain and varnish, a wooden delight. Verse 2. Crown molding installed, a regal touch. Bookshelves built, storage we clutch. Faucets replaced, water flowing pure. Decks and patios, relaxation allure. Chorus. Ceiling fans spin, a gentle breeze. Gardens and landscapes, nature's ease. Smart home systems, technology's leap. Control at our fingertips, secrets to keep. Bridge. In the realm of DIY, our creativity soars. Transforming our homes, forevermore. With passion and skill, we craft and create. A space that reflects who we truly relate. Chorus. In the world of DIY, our dreams take flight. As we build and design, with all our might. A home that's personalized, unique to our core. In DIY home improvement, we forever explore. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.